Petition by Harare residents. Honorable Daniel Garwe, Minister of Local Governance and Public Works, Harare, Zimbabwe, RE. Petition by Harare residents calling for decisive action against Harare Mayor Jacob Mafume. Sadabera mashoko buda panguva ino Harare residents akajamukira Mafume ndoti subscribe wala ikata on the bell icon. Tipira munamo buda nyokamushinzi. We, the undersigned residents and the ratepayers of the city of Harare, respectfully submitted the petition to your esteemed office to implore urgent intervention regarding serious governance, ethical and service delivery concerns surrounding the mayor of Harare, Councillor Jacob Mafume. Residents have noted with grave concern the persistent collapse of service delivery in Harare, characterized by uncollected refuse, chronic water shortages, deteriorating road infrastructure, and general urban decay. Despite continued collection of rates and tax, our concerns are as follows. Allegations of corruption involving Mayor Jacob Mafume, which you have yourself recently raised publicly when expressing concern over corruption at the Harare City Council and identifying the mayor as a central figure in these illegal malpractices. Number 2, continued misuse of ratepayers' funds through attendance at numerous workshops, seminars, and retreats by the mayor and senior officials at a time when service delivery in Harare is at its lowest level in years. Widespread allegations that Mayor Mafume is living in a top-range residential property that appears to be beyond what could reasonably be afforded from his known legitimate income, raising serious public suspicion that proceeds of corruption may be involved. Failure of leadership at Harare City Council, resulting in deteriorating accountability, transparency, and responsiveness to residents' needs. We therefore respectfully request that your office, number 1, institutes an urgent and independent investigation into allegations of corruption and abuse of the office involving Mayor Jacob Mafume. Number 2, take appropriate administrative action including suspension where necessary to allow investigations to proceed without interference. Number 3, put an end to the abuse of ratepayers' money on non-essential workshops and travel. And number 4, implement corrective measures to restore accountability, transparency, and effective service delivery at the Harare City Council. We submit this petition in good faith in the interest of the protecting public resources and restoring confidence in local government. Yours faithfully, concerned Harare residents and ratepayers, City of Harare. Do tsamba yanyorwa panguva ino ichiuya panguva ino ichiexposa mukomana Mafume achinzi action ngaitore fast. Pinda comment section medu dzafungura aim kuti kudii pamusoro pechitwa ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.